So our first step to integrate Transifex Native is to actually upload the strings to Transifex. In order to do that, we will have to use the command line tool. In this case, I have already downloaded and placed the Transifex jar file inside the repo. However, you can actually place it wherever you want. So here I'm inside the location of our project. This is how you run the executable. It's actually a jar file, so you have to use Java jar. And this is represented with the instructions. So in our case, we want to use the push command. And so first I'll type help push. And as you can see here, we have to place the secret, the token. I'll just write that. Here is the secret. I will not actually write it. And this is the public token key for our Transifex project. And we also have to specify the module. In our case, the module is called app, so you will have to use the same value here. So you have to write app. And this is it.